Did you know this humble kitchen staple you use in baking is actually the most underrated multi-purpose hero at your home? It's literally like a Swiss Army knife of wellness. I was very surprised that few people, even my friends, knew what this miracle wonder actually can do. In this video, I'm going to show you 22 brilliant ways to use baking soda at home for glowing skin, gorgeous hair, a cleaner home, a healthy garden, and even healthy meals. Please stick around because it's going to help you ditch most of your toxic and pricey products at home for good. And I promise, at least 5 of those will blow your mind. So you can see we use a lot of baking soda at home, and we bought this 20 kg ones, but we share with our families. Actually work out quite cheap. Let's read what's in here. We use Blunt's brand. It's aluminium free, GMO free, no fillers, gluten nut free, and no added colors or fragrances. Food grade, natural, and certified organic. So let's start with personal care from 1 to 8. Number 1 is using baking soda as a shampoo. First time I used it was about 5 months ago, and I never look back. It's so simple and natural and very effective. Depends on how long your hair is. For long hair, you use 1 tablespoon of baking soda and pour in the glass. And once you get into the shower, wet your hair, you mix the baking soda with about 1 cup of water. Doesn't need to be precise. And then just pour on your hair, gently massage into the scalp. After a minute or 2, rinse it off. That's it. After that, I also like to use apple cider vinegar as a hair conditioner. Exactly the same measurement, 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar with 1 cup of water. Pour on your hair, massage into it, and then rinse it off. The baking soda removes the buildup on your scalp, and apple cider vinegar balances the pH and make your hair look so shiny and soft and luscious. My favorite. Number 2, face cleaner. Just a teaspoon of baking soda mixed with a few drops of water. Not too much, just make it into a paste. Just like that. And massage it into your skin. And rinse it off straight away. Very fresh look. Feels really soft. Wow, it's amazing. I only use it probably once a month because I don't normally put anything on my face anyway. If you put lots of things on your face like makeup, foundations, you probably want to do it every 1 or 2 weeks. Number 3, DIY toothpaste. Exactly the same way how you make the face cleanser. You just dip the toothbrush into the paste. If you want, you can put olive oil or a few drops of peppermint oil. It freshens the breath and also lifts the stains. It's absolutely amazing. Number 4, natural deodorant. Just mix a tablespoon of baking soda and equal amount of coconut oil and apply a dab of it under your arm. It neutralizes the odor instantly and make you smell like tropics, like coconut. It's absolutely beautiful. Number 5, bath water and skin softener. You can add half a cup of baking soda into the warm bath. It softens the hot water, soothes the skin, and make it feel like a spa soak. If you have tired feet, just add 2 tablespoons of baking soda into warm water in a bucket and put your feet in. That will soften up your skin, make it feel so relaxed and soft. Number 6, bug bite relief. This is so useful, especially when you go outdoor camping. Like us, we're living so close to the forest. Simply mix some water with baking soda, make it into the paste, and dab it on the bug bite. It calms the itch and make the swelling go away within minutes. Number 7, sunburn relief. If you get sunburned, most likely you're not getting enough morning sun, so please get morning sun. But if you did, you can add half cup of the baking soda into a cold bath and soak for 15-20 minutes. That will draw out of the heat and heal your skin naturally. Number 8, mouthwash. Just dissolve a teaspoon of baking soda in warm water and swish around in your mouth. It freshens your breath and help neutralize the acidity in your mouth. So if you love a coffee or spicy food, you're going to love this. Just quick reminder, do not overuse baking soda because it's alkaline in nature. If you use too much of it, it can cause dryness and also disrupt the pH balance. Now let's get on to part 2, home care from number 9 to 15. Number 9, super cleaner. Did you know that baking soda makes the most powerful cleaner at home? I used for everything. The couch, the walls, all the furnitures, everything. That's my go-to cleaner. It's very simple. Mix some baking soda with olive oil or any kind of oil, just enough to make a paste, and then apply to any surfaces, leather couches or any furniture. It will remove the scuff marks and works like a treat. It's very gentle yet powerful. Simply wipe it off with a damp cloth and you're good to go. Number 10, deodorize carpets and mattresses. If you have any carpet or mattresses that don't give pleasant smell, sprinkle a generous layer of baking soda. Let it sit for half an hour, then vacuum it thoroughly. That takes out the smell like magic. Number 11, laundry booster. I absolutely love this, especially when you have children. Just add half a cup baking soda with your washing detergent. It softens the water and neutralizes the smell and also remove the stain. It's perfect for kids' toys and dirty towels. Number 12, unclog drains. Did you know that? Pour a half a cup of baking soda into the drain and then followed by a half cup of vinegar. Let it fizz for about 5 to 10 minutes. Then flush it all with boiling water. It takes out the gunks just like no other. You can thank me later. Number 13, silver polisher. I don't have any silver spoon at home, but my mother-in-law does, and she confirmed that this worked beautifully. Line a pan or a bowl with aluminum foil. Make sure the shiny side up and add your silver spoons or anything in. Sprinkle in baking soda. Then pour boiling hot water over and watch the tarnish disappear. Aluminium, baking soda, and hot water causes a chemical reaction that lifts the tarnish up. So give it a try. Number 14, coffee mug stain remover. Rub baking soda directly onto the stain with a sponge or a damp cloth. That lifts the tea and coffee stain in seconds. Absolutely no scrubbing needed. Number 15, cutting board scrub. Make a paste with baking soda and water, then rub it on your cutting board and scrub it with brush. It removes grease and odors, especially after cutting onion and garlic. Beautiful. Yeah, absolutely. So many uses for baking soda in your home, and it works effectively and beautifully. Moving on to the next part, in the garden, number 16 and 17. Number 16, natural pest deterrent. Sprinkle a layer of baking soda around tender seedlings, especially any plants that subject to bugs and pests. It helps repel ants, cockroaches, and even slugs naturally without any chemicals. This is a secret that all gardeners want to know. Number 17, antifungal spray. I don't use any chemicals in my garden. Everything's organic. This is my go-to last resource for treating powdery mildews, for example. We get powdery mildew quite a lot in this climate. If it's too bad, I'll just sacrifice the plant. But if it's not serious, I mix a tablespoon of baking soda with 1 liter of water and then spray it onto the leaves that's affected to treat fungal diseases. I use it once every week for a few weeks, and it will be gone. The last 5 uses are in the food preparation category. Number 18, it tenderizes the meat. If you sprinkle baking soda over raw meat, either chicken, pork, steak, or lamb, let it sit for 15 to 20 minutes. And make sure you rinse it well before cooking. It actually breaks down the protein and make it super tender. Number 19, it neutralizes the acid in foods. If you have too much acid in your tomato soup or sauce, just a pinch of baking soda can take away the tangy taste and balance the flavor without any sugar. Number 20, it makes beans much easier to digest. Some people don't eat beans or complain about the gas compounds in beans, but if you add a pinch of baking soda when you're soaking or boiling beans, it actually takes the gassy compound away. So who says you can't have too many beans? Number 21, it makes omelette fluffier. I think the restaurants know the secret because the omelette always appear fluffy and lighter. If you add a little bit baking soda, 1/8 per 2 eggs before you whisk it, so actually make the omelette very light and fluffy without changing the flavor. So a good experiment with your kids. Last but not least, number 22, it removes pesticides in foods. This is very important if you don't have access to organic fruit and vegetables. Before we grow our own food, we used to use this trick a lot to wash all the fruits and vegetables we buy from the supermarket. Fill a bowl with water and mix with a tablespoon of baking soda and let the fruit and vegetables soak for 15 to 20 minutes. And that will help break down and lift the pesticide residues. And make sure you rinse it off well before eating them. And there you have it. 22 surprisingly powerful ways to use this humble white powder far beyond baking. From gorgeous hair to spotless sinks, from garden to cooking, who would know this jar can do all of this? If you found even one new tip today, hit that like button, subscribe and share with a friend who's into low toxin living. And tell me in the comments, which baking soda tip are you going to use first? Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.